Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Hype it up, smash the likes and subscribes. Give us just a minute. Just got home from the gym, saw you guys waiting, so I threw on the live. Let's go. Let's go. Almost ready. Keep hyping it up, guys. Keep smashing the likes and subscribes. I see you guys subscribing. It's going to be a spicy day, so lock in. It's time. Yeesh. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's start the stream out this way. Shout out to Jason Casper, my guy, redirecting his stream over here. Blessed, humbled every day by you, man. Love that dude. Follow Jason Casper. Secondly, let's get into it. Yesterday, feels like last week already. Yesterday was Monday, and it was maybe the biggest, spiciest stream for this channel since March of this year. I'm not sure. I'll have to go back and look to make sure. It might have been bigger, but it is at least on par. And we have seen a huge lull, a huge dip in everything from new viewers, new subscribers, concurrent viewers, everything since March. And yesterday, everyone apparently looking for answers on YouTube. Hopefully some of you have rejoined us today. Hopefully, I hope so. Even if you're not new, if you've been here, I appreciate you as well tuning in. And today, man, I said yesterday, it felt a little weird. Yesterday felt off. Today kind of has that vibe too. You guys feeling that? It's not as bad. It's a little bit better. But I'm feeling a little weird vibe here. And hey, maybe it's from the chart. People are probably panicking right now. Altcoins continuing to dump, continuing to hit these major monthly, quarterly, yearly supports, and just so happen to be hitting our entries on a lot of charts. We have a lot of updates to do. We hit a lot yesterday. I'll try to do that again today, but man, that is hard. That is not something that you can reproduce all the time, every single day. So without further ado, guys, smash the likes, the subscribes, hype up the stream. Check out the links in the video description below. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. You know the deal. Let's jump into the chart, and then I will get into the chat. In the meantime, keep it going. Keep talking amongst yourselves. I'm going to pull it up, so I'll have an eye on it. We have a poll going. See, I see you guys. Bull mode activated. Let's go. Giga pump. Whoa, 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 whoa. Giga pump. Somebody said giga pump. That's the best kind of pump. Only seconded to the Ultra Giga Chad pump, which is actually just a rumor. Scientists are not really sure if it even exists. Speaking of that, there's the count, the live subscriber count. We got 750, almost 800 during the live yesterday. Let's try to match those numbers. Let's keep mooning this channel. What's up, Adam? What's up, Shrink Tech? We're gonna get to all these questions. Keep going. Let me do this chart. So we did get the close we were talking about yesterday, but it does not seem to be as bullish as I would have liked. Starting back out, every day we get perspective on the chart. If you're panicking today, you're likely too zoomed in. You found the right channel and the right content to watch right now in this moment. You're likely too zoomed in, so let's zoom out. First, we'll do a very calming, quick exercise of, here we are on the quarter. Guys, the quarterly is not in trouble. What is up, Neo Note, Rio, Thasiara, DJ Arab? I see you guys subscribing. Keep going. Keep that number rolling over in real time. Look at the quarter. Quarter's fine. The quarter says, honestly, we could go all the way down to like 71,000 and everything's fine, guys. It's just still a green candle, still beautiful. Under 71, probably not looking great. The probability, in my opinion, of seeing that by the end of this 21 days, of the end of Q4 of this year is so low, it's not worth factoring. That's my opinion. Anything's possible. No one knows the future. I don't have a crystal ball, but let's get a little more perspective. Let's calm down. Let's take a deep breath here again, looking at this yearly candle, guys. Just take it in. It's a sight to behold. Bask in it. Let the good energy of this green yearly candle rain down on you and warm your hearts and banish the evil bear spirits that linger in your house. So here's the yearly. We are still up 125%. Bitcoin has broken to 100,000 for the first time ever. This is on top of ETFs approved in this year. Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy buying billions and billions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. Mara just bought $1 billion worth of Bitcoin today. They're doing the same move that Saylor's doing. The US is getting a presidential regime change, one that seems much more friendly to crypto. Everything in this candle, everything is so far for Bitcoin. This is so far beyond anything any of us imagined when I started. Years and years ago, we would talk about, oh yeah, it'll destroy fiat, it'll, whatever. And we said those things, but it was a lot of hopium. You just had to have that belief. And here we are, that hopium, those keep dreaming tinfoil hat conspiracies are coming true one by one in front of our eyes. And most of them began in this candle right here. But this candle's almost over, Tom. We need hopium for the next candle. I can do that. Take a look at the Coinbase history. There is more history here. And every time I say this, my OCD is like, you got to pull it up. You can't just say that and then not show them, Tom. You got to pull it up. So let me pull it up. Here's the full history of Bitcoin. What do you notice here, fam? In the entirety of Bitcoin's trading since 2009, 2010, there has been a total of 3 red candles on the year ever, meaning only 3 times in the last almost 15 years has Bitcoin started at a price January 1st and been a lower price by December 31st, the end of that year. 3 times in history. There's something very important to notice about this, about these red candles as well. Take a look. There's only 3. They're evenly spaced apart. There's a lot of things we could talk about here, but just really quick. Right here. What do you notice? Red candle, then what? Right here, red candle, then what? Next one, red candle, then what? Take a second, put it in the chat. You can ruin the surprise. Another one, 2022, red candle. What should we logically expect? And I will admit, logic doesn't always give you the future. Logic doesn't always have the answers, but what else do we use when we have nothing else? We use logic. What happens after this one? According or just following the pattern. You've done this in school. Back when you were a kid, follow the pattern. Red, 1, 2, 3 years of green candles. Red, 1, 2, 3 years of green candles. Red, what comes next? When can we expect, logically, the next red candle? It's not rocket math. It's not rocket surgery. Rocket surgery. That would be a very interesting profession. Here you go. 2014, 2018, 2022. What's the next one? Very easy. Some of you guys got it. Not enough of you guys got it, but some of you guys got it. 3 green candles. That means that following everything we've seen over 15 years, we should see an entire another year of green. Anything can happen. Do not bet your house on this happening, thinking it's guaranteed. There are no guarantees, but if anything was even close to guaranteed, I would say this is likely it. That we have a green candle next year, and then into 2026, we see a red candle. There hasn't been many. Each time we've seen the same thing happen. There's a lot going on. So that was just your little perspective, a little reset. A lot of you, especially new people, probably freaking out a little bit today, not feeling so comfortable. I just got into crypto. My friend told me I got to buy in all my money right now into something, and I don't know. It went down, and it was only supposed to go up. He said it was the bull market. It only goes up. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to your first rodeo. This is not going to be easy. It is not going to get you rich quick. It is not going to be a walk in the park. It's going to be probably the exact opposite of everything you've ever heard. But one thing it will be, it doesn't break all the promises. One thing it will be is a tool, a financial mechanism that you can change your life with. And I am an example of this myself. I grew up poor as anything. It was just me and my mom. We lived in a row home that we rented in the city, in the ghetto. I was the minority white guy on our block. I had nothing. I did everything I was supposed to do. I went to high school. I went to college. I got a degree, a 4-year degree, and it did nothing. I did everything I was told to do to be successful, and it was never going to change my life. And I did that for 10 years, and it didn't change my life. I was just spinning my wheels. Bitcoin, I found 8 years ago. It immediately clicked. I saw the value, I understood it, and I effectively went all in. I didn't high risk go all in, but I started putting every extra penny I had into it. And here I am. I'm not a billionaire. I'm not the richest guy even in this chat right now, I'm sure. But my friends think I'm rich. I used to be the poor guy in the group. Now my friends think I'm rich. I'm not rich, but they think I am. Bitcoin, crypto, I'm going to say Bitcoin, but crypto, Bitcoin can change your life if you let it. It's going to take time. It's going to be painful, but you can get there. I promise you, with dedication, time, and patience, you can get there. And that means weathering through times like this right now. I got a little off track. Let's go back to the analysis. I like ranting, though. I love when there's new people. I get to just like rant about the stuff all the OGs here have already heard about over the last 5 years while we streamed. What's up, online football coach? I see you, man, subscribing. A lot of subscribers coming in hot. I like it. So let's go to this month. I said briefly, we can go down to 71.3 and everything's fine. I know that wouldn't make you comfortable. In fact, that'd be a good poll. What price would make you really uncomfortable? 71? Would that make you... At what price do you think the bull run is over? Let's ask that. Don't ask it yet because I want to get through analysis. Don't put it in the chat yet. I want to get through some analysis. But I do actually want to know. White collar or blue collar is good. Sure. Am I bearish or bullish? I'm always bullish, brother. Always bullish. Bitcoin only goes up. Man, we looked at this chart. Why would any human look at this chart and be bearish on it? Doesn't mean it's going to go up right now or today or in an hour or next week. But bears, man, bears get absolutely destroyed. Absolutely destroyed over time on the corn. On the month, we do have a little potential for bearish divergence here. I didn't notice this. This is not great. We have a lower RSI, meaning price has pushed up higher, but our indicator here has not pushed up higher with it. And that shows us that they are diverging, that they are maybe behaving differently. And that can be a sign of weakness in an uptrend. We have 3 more weeks in this month. I expect there to be crazy volatility. 21 days, 5 hours. We are $150. No, wait, $1,000. Sorry. Under the monthly open. We have traded to 104. We have traded down to 92. I think the monthly low is in. I still do. But we are within 1% of flipping this monthly candle green, and we have 3 weeks. Something tells me not only will we flip this green, but we're going to close this much higher than people expect here today. We're going to go down to the week. Yikes. I added the yikes line here. 94.2. We saw this live yesterday during our stream. You guys rocked and rolled it. It was an awesome stream. I'm still like riding that vibe here. I put this yikes line. This was lower than we were expecting, I admit. However, it still seems to be holding now. Trading below 94.2 is not a good sign. It very much suggests that we are going to move down again to that 92 level, basically our December, November, around 90K level, let's say. Breaking 94.2 suggests that, if not lower. I'll be honest. There's not a lot of support here. We really moved just up. For Bitcoin, this isn't impossible. I do not think this is going to happen, but this is not impossible. If it does happen, that's probably a hell of a long. Probably get yourself a very juicy long position there. But that's not crazy. That wouldn't be a crazy retracement. I still am not convinced. I think we're way too far out from there. We need to see at least 92 break, and we can start discussing this. There is some technicals pointing there, but I think we're getting ahead of ourselves. We're getting a little too freaked out. It's not quite the time for that. This week is definitely testing us. We've had some very clear upward momentum. At the moment, this candle is showing a little bit of slowing down in that upward momentum. But this candle is still fresh. It still is only a day and change old. We have 5 more days. Anything, literally anything could happen. We could set a new all-time high, or we could crash down under 80s or under 90s, under 80s in that amount of time. This is very much just waiting before the move happens. We're just sitting here in anticipation. The market trying to get us to get in bad positions, fold good positions, just everything. It's just trying to snake you. Don't let it get you. Don't get caught. Bitcoin just hit a new all-time high. We have a whole nother year of the bull run. Don't get caught with your pants down here. Just do nothing. Really. If you don't know what to do, do nothing. It's the best advice. Weekly. We need to see this close higher, or it'll be a pretty crappy week. But we have 5 days, as I said. We are still riding the top of the weekly Bollinger Band. The middle line points down roughly exactly where we might look if we see a serious breakdown. But we're at the top of the bands. The bands, this is where we want to be. We want to be riding up here. We want to continue this, and with a strong weekly close, we very much can continue this. We just need to see a little bit of reversal. So here's where it gets a little harder to swallow. Yesterday's low still intact. We may start calling this a double bottom. We'll see. I'm a little hesitant. We may start calling this a double bottom, but we were looking for one thing yesterday for those of you who tuned in, and that was a close above 97,000. We got it. Before the end of the day, bulls were able to push price back up, retake this bullish fair value gap, and retake the 20 daily moving average. Now today, we didn't get follow through. I was absolutely looking for a move back into the hundreds. I'm not going to dismiss that yet. It is not off the table yet. Of course, this is the wrong direction for that. But again, almost the exact same thing. We're going to be looking for that 97,000 level once again today. We have 4 hours and 40 minutes to do it. We may be playing off of a double bottom here. And really any close above the 20 is Gucci. Because, take this off hours. Because we would be looking again for a return to the top of the bands. That's what we're looking for today in this candle. Who knows? It may not come. It is sitting here. We haven't seen too much action. It's been mostly down. We're going to get into alts in just a second. Let me finish this analysis though. Yep. RSI getting pulled down here on the day. We looked at this yesterday. Still in play though. I don't think that this is wrong or even that really much has changed here. We have seen on the daily RSI return basically to this trend line over and over and over again. Now it has moved underneath there with this move today. However, there's so much similarity. It's pretty wild. Each hit to that trend line started with a low, just like we see here today, into a lower low, a low into a lower low to that trend line, low into a lower low, low into a lower low. This is still very much just looking like these previous hits. Very, very much looking like this previous hits. It gets a little harder if you want to keep it in this trend, but I don't find that really important. Basically, what this is telling me is that we need to see a reversal on the day. It doesn't have to be today, but it has to be like tomorrow if it's not today. And we need to see that RSI truck back up into overbought yet again. And I believe that is what's going to happen, even though things are looking a little sketchy at the moment, aren't they? Let's get rid of these because I was just doodling earlier. Going down, we did the day. Get rid of the Bollinger Bands. You know, I haven't looked at the Ichimoku cloud. What's going on there? Ichimoku cloud also saying don't really worry. Not great to close below the TK, but the KJ, the purple line here, holding as support. We really haven't tested this since November, almost exactly 1 month ago, November 4th, into, December 5th. Another indicator showing us there is plenty of downside room to hold this bullish pattern and that we probably should not be worrying. Okay. Let's peek here. Is this really, it's not quite a double bottom, slightly higher low. You can see above us on the 12-hour, this is going to be a bitch. This is going to be a bitch. This is a bearish fair value gap, and that is going to create or cement the idea of resistance right there at the levels that we're looking for, 97,000 to 97.2. Don't want to see resistance there, as that's the target we need to retake, but hey, that's just the way this shit goes, it seems. Let's see, monthly open. There we go. Got monthly open on the chart. 12-hour looking real gross. That's okay. Okay, my analysis is almost done on the corn. I'm doing this for you and for me so I can give you guys the best of the infos while we're live here. Nice little 6-hour candle. Bacon. I wonder if that continues down. 4-hour with the wick starting to look a lot like yesterday, isn't it? Big wick down, closed as a little hammer, or call it doji, whatever you want to call it. Interesting. 4-hour just rolled over again. RSI very much in the dirt. 2-hour, here we go, getting sexier down on these lower time frames. 2-hour hitting the oversold line. When did this happen last? The last time the 2-hour was more oversold than it is right now is right here. Pico bottom, November 26th. Interesting. Very interesting. What's going to be a spicy close in 36 minutes? Let's get down to the very low time frames. Here we are. Hour, another bearish. Dude, these order blocks are getting painted everywhere. I'm going to place these here on the hour, but I don't want them on higher time frames, so I'm going to remove them from higher time frames. Hold up. This is going to be the resistance we likely battle with throughout the stream today. Don't need it on the day. There we go. Really just wanted probably up to the 4-hour. There it is. Beautiful. And that's right underneath the monthly open, which is right underneath where we need to close, man. Interesting. Interesting. Because we have a low and a slightly higher low, we should look to identify bullish divergence here at this low. That would be common. You can find that on whatever time frame you want. It does not look super great yet, though, does it? I like what's building, but man, I don't see the follow through. I don't see the momentum to the upside quite yet. Inverting the chart, you get a little bit of an idea here. Would you bet up or down on this? I'd probably bet up on this, which sucks because that means, of course, price would go down because this chart is upside down. What would you bet, up or down? Put it in chat. Up or down? I'm going to come back. Last things first, and we're going to read the chat, talk to you guys. Let's look at the projection. Yesterday, we were very confident as a group that we were still in this projection. I don't think that today's candle necessarily invalidates it. It absolutely is not what we wanted to see. A move up, like we were looking for yesterday, that would have been very confirming. But I don't know. It's kind of like yesterday. The same target, if it moves up and closes at 97, it's back in the channel, and really nothing has happened. We had low, higher low, higher low, and we're looking for that climb to continue in a channel just as it did last year. Just like this. This is exactly the price action from November to December of last year into January. This was the ETF hype into the ETF sell-off low, and we continued to rally. It may diverge from this. It is just something for fun that seems to be accurate for now. But I think it's still in play. It is very, very close to out of play, though. I'll give you that. It's like teetering on the edge. But I think it still can hold. I think if the low holds, we close up, it's still in play. And we're moving the same way we kind of expected. The same way we've been looking at since November. Easy peas. All right, boys. All right, that took me a while. Let's get into the chat here. Who's here? What's up, bud? Up, sideways, left. I like left. 96K is resistance. There's resistance here at 96. 96.4, 96.5. There's resistance here at 97.2. There's resistance here at 98.7. There's resistance here at 101. There's a lot. Resistance, though, is also just another name for liquidity. That's right. Orders. Daniel Lehman, you're the best TA in town. What's up? David Van Poke, my guy. How are you? Shout out Sumia. What are the chances we see another dip today? You got to put a time frame. Today, tomorrow, the next day, next year, this year. What's up, Umesh Pegu? How you doing? Neil Thomas, welcome. Subscribing while we're live, being Chads. What's up, Joel Vazquez, Savvy Ranchel, Martin Lambrev, HS. How you doing? Somu has become a member. We got a lot of people. Speaking of a lot of people, we have about 800 votes here on the poll. 15% are new, which is interesting because yesterday we did the same poll almost and it was 20%. And I was finding that very hard to believe. Very hard to believe. I was like, wow, really? Really? 20%? Because we've seen very few new people until very recently. And now this poll again hitting 15%. If you are new here, or hell, if you're even just new to this channel, because there's about a quarter of us, put something in chat. Say hello. Let me say hello to you. Let me see you. Let me acknowledge you. Great alpha today. Thank you, Sankit. Much love and blessings to you, my friend. 100. Oh yeah, we did just hit 142,000 subs live. Let's go. We're topping our average for this channel. We're over 6,000 for the month now. Nothing in chat. What's up, Janix? What's up, Nibbles? Nibble Jibbles. You're new. YouTube had me on your homepage. All right, YouTube. Shout out to YouTube for a moment. YouTube finally showing our stream to people. It did not show our stream to people for like a year, maybe more. It's good to see it. Hello from India. Shout out to India. Dizzy Racks, XRP. I'm gonna look at XRP. That's cool because like I very much wanted to look at XRP. Who was here yesterday, or hell, who was here over the last weeks and saw this play? Saw this play be placed, and then saw this play somehow, some way be filled. Who saw it? Hands up. Go look at the poll chart. Maybe Javs. We'll see. Jason Casper got you here. Shout out to Casper. Jay Casper, man, that guy. What a chat. He's a fitness inspiration. He's a rapper inspiration, freestyler inspiration, homesteader inspiration, streamer inspiration. What a guy. Love that man. Casper got you here too. Hell yeah. You've been here a year and only sub today, Jonathan. Interesting. Welcome. If you're new, you have found the right place. This is XRP, by the way. This is XRP. If you just found this channel and you are new, consider yourself so lucky. And you might not understand it. It might take a while for you to internalize how lucky you are. This is one, and I'll say Jason Casper as well, but this is one of the only channels on YouTube in crypto that is not here to profit off you losing. Our goal is to help you succeed. Most of the stuff we do is free. I have a free playlist, a free trading course on YouTube, high quality videos. Who does that? No one. You're not the product. We want to help you succeed. Hopefully I get to pay my bills along the way, but we're not scamming. Almost everyone on YouTube is grifting or scamming in some way. I'm not accepting money to tell you guys to buy rugs that I make, 6 figures on and you guys all lose your money. You'd be surprised how many channels that you've seen on YouTube have done something like that. You'd be disgusted. You'd be very surprised, I hope. Or you're new, or you're just aware of it. You've done yourself a favor. Rare. We're going to look at XRP for you here. XRP finally hit. That's why we love you. That's why I love you guys, though. You keep on coming. What's up, Pharaoh? That won ya. Hell yeah. All the new people, make sure you join Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. It's free, but it's just the best way to keep up with our community, especially when YouTube's not showing our streams. What's up, all-in-one Ali Baraud, Yuxel, Koksal. Sorry if I butchered your name. What's up, bro? We're going to look at XRP. I will admit, yesterday when we saw the sell-off, we had this chart up when XRP was up here at like 230. I'll admit, when I saw the sell-off hit $2, I thought, okay, we're not getting filled on this. That was it. I might have even said that. I was wrong, and here is a lesson. Here's a lesson for all the new viewers and a lesson for myself and the advanced viewers here. Here's a lesson. I'm not always right. I'm a human. Anyone who pretends they're always right or creates an image of always being right in trading is full of shit and they're scamming you. They're trying to get your money one way or another. No such thing. The best trader in the universe loses trades. There's no such thing as 100%. There's only such thing as lying. Where was I going with this? Yes, here's a lesson. I was wrong. And here's another thing. Here's another piece for me to learn on is I doubted my plan. I didn't say, all right, we'll market order in at $2, but I doubted my plan. I saw $2 hit. I saw it bounce and I said, maybe our plan was wrong. Stick to your plan. Absolutely stick to your plan. Look at the price action that happened here. It hit $2, right? Perfectly came back to 225. The support it had been bouncing on, lower high, broke down, rejected. If you had entered at 2, thinking, oh, well, yeah, 196 isn't going to hit, got close enough. If you had entered like 2 and you're going to get it a little late, let's say 205, you would have had very little opportunity to take profit and you would be back underwater again right now. Follow the plan. Create a plan. This is the key to success in crypto, in trading, honestly, and in life. Take the time, sit down, make a plan. It doesn't matter if it's not the best plan in the world. Just having a plan is 100 times better than not having a plan, even if it's not the best plan. This was our plan. We're going to look for 196. Why are we looking for 196? A lot of people ask. And mind you, this was placed when XRP was moving like to all-time highs. So go back a few streams and it looks a lot crazier, right? Than it does right now. Here it is. This isn't even super advanced high-level analysis. Literally any human could have come up with this plan. The plan was such. XRP has made an incredible move in November, hundreds of percents, shocking people, shocking myself, really, shocking everyone in the space. Nobody saw that coming like that. It closed its monthly at $1.96, which is the almost exact same 2021 high. This is where it found resistance. And actually, if you go back to 2017, right here at $1.96 was the monthly close at the all-time high. So the all-time high went to like 336, and then it closed that month at $1.96. That's exactly where 2021 hit. That was telling us this is a critical historic level. When we just blew through it here in November, we just blew through. It was like it didn't even exist, right? Boom, we kept moving up. We couldn't know for sure if XRP was going to hit the all-time high and then maybe come back to this target, or if it was going to blast through it and never come back. But we had we had sense, we had logic, we had math to point to and say, okay, well, I don't know the future, but what I can do is make a plan. And what that plan is if this rally cools off, doesn't mean it's over, doesn't mean it can't go up higher, but if this rally cools off or reverses, where would I look? And the logical places to look would have been 196. This is maybe the most relevant price on this chart that was near current price. You could also have looked lower at 160. It just wouldn't have filled, right? And that was the gamble, I'll say gamble you've taken, is that maybe it doesn't fill. 160, probably still a good entry. You don't know, it still could hit. You'll notice on this trade, the stop loss is below 160 in case that does happen. In reality, we should just move this stop loss up and then put another trade lower. But I'm going to leave it because whatever, I don't want to mess with it. That's it. This wasn't the best plan in the world, but it played out because we stuck to it. Patience in this game is rewarded. The entries that feel the worst are going to be the most successful. Say it again. When you enter and it feels terrible into a trade or into a coin, that is almost certainly going to be the successful one, the profitable one. When you market order into something, let's say XRP, you market ordered into this, right? All the way up here. Probably felt amazing. You're probably like, oh, it's going to the moon. Oh, this is so good. I want to throw all my money in it. I feel so motivated, so compelled to get in, and it feels good. You know what happened, right? It goes down. The ones that feel good are always wrong. Your emotions are always putting you on the wrong side of the trade. I can't tell you why, because I don't know. It just seems to be how markets operate. Emotions are the enemy. Impatience is the enemy. If you can remove emotion, and the easiest way to do that, I know I'm doing like a whole trading course thing here. The easiest way to do that is to what? I was just saying it. Make a plan. Stick to the plan. It involves zero emotion. Emotion is only a factor when you're making real-time decisions, when you're zoomed in, when you're looking at candle by candle and you're getting excited or you're getting afraid and you make the wrong choice. Make a plan, stick to it. This trade could still go south. This could still bonk out, right? This still could get wrecked. But at least you didn't do the same move up here near the highs where it would have felt amazing. It probably would have felt so good to market order XRP, buy it at 290. It would have been the Pico top for right now, but it would have felt amazing. Those of you who waited, maybe entered down here at 196, this probably felt like shit. It's like, oh no, it's going to keep going down. This is bad. But this position is so much better, so much stronger. And you could even say there's something along the lines of, because this feels bad, other people aren't going to be making that decision. And when a trade is not crowded, it tends to be more profitable, because if everyone's betting the same way, the market really can't go that way. You need to have the losers. There's not enough money to distribute if literally everyone is betting in the same direction. Maybe that makes sense. I've gotten very off topic, very ranty, very rolly, but there we go. We have a lot of these too. This isn't the only one. You just bought it back in long. All right, Vince. I mean, if you sold above $1.96 or $2 and you bought it back here, that's a profit. Good for you. Done. No guarantees. No guarantees, but good. Good for you, man. Congrats. That's what we want to see. You do have resistance up here, 225. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens when price climbs back up there. You can see I put an alert there. Back to the corn quick. The corn, 22 minutes in this hour. Really quick, zooming in. Zooming back here, moving very slowly. We have an hourly order block. Nice bearish fair value gap right here, acting as resistance. We can see price slowly, maybe trying to climb through it. I don't know. Right here, you can see a long red-bodied candle, a shorter green-bodied candle, followed by a bearish engulfing red candle. I know a lot of this terminology is jargony. You might not understand it. It's going to take time. You can check out the free playlist, the free trading course that explains a lot of these concepts here. This is the target right here. You could look for a short at 96,350 if you're bearish. This is probably how I'd look to play it. If you're bearish, you think it's going down more today, you don't think we're getting a strong close, you think we're going to go down to like 90, 80, 70, whatever it is, there you go. That's how I'd trade that 2-to-1 right here. Entry right at the spot. 96,365. Take profit, probably 92. But I mean, if you're bearish, you're taking this, you're probably looking for lower, right? You'll have to figure that out yourself. But it is a 2-to-1 just at 92. So that's not a bad trade there. The entry for the long, man, that is going to be much harder. Much harder. I'm not sure I can find one here while we're live. Maybe something will pop out to me. Typically when the chart is moving up, on low time frames, you're looking for a short. And when it's moving down, you're looking for a long. We're talking very low time frames, talking scalping. Not talking all trades, just like in this scenario. But we're inching back up 20 minutes. I'd like to see price fill that short. Honestly, I want to see it fill that short, and I want to see it get stopped out. It's moving very slow for the live stream today. We still got 1,500 live viewers. I like that. I appreciate that. You say we close at 98. Buy XRP and long at $2, Vince. That's like the chart we were just showing, bro. Congrats, though. Contrarian bets play out amazing when they work out. Some of the best plays tend to be, I agree. I would say almost every major play, like winning correct play is contrarian. When everybody's trying to buy the top, the first contrarian, ends up winning. When everyone's selling the bottom, the first contrarian ends up winning. They buy the bottom, whatever, sell the top. Second day here. What's up, T-Slacks? Is this a replay, or do I wear the same stuff each day? This is actually a different shirt. This is a different shirt. I wasn't wearing this yesterday. I go to the gym before I stream, so I have energy, and this is just what I wear to the gym. I used to wear clothes, but I feel way more comfortable doing it this way. But I appreciate you, man. Appreciate T-Slacks for coming back. What's up, Bad Fox? Rant and roll. The beautiful, seductive Bad Fox. How you doing, girl? How you doing? About Bob Saget. I think they're having a meeting about it today. I heard that Saylor was talking to Microsoft or something about Bitcoin. But then On unrelated news, I think Amazon's shareholders voted not to buy Bitcoin, which is okay. I feel like that would have been a huge top signal anyway. Who else is in the chat today? Who's new? Who's not new? Who's afraid? Who's not afraid? Who's going? Who's coming? Giggity. I lost the chat. Here we go. I see Aaron. Shout out Ace of Hearts. Shout out Aziz. Shout out Ollie. Shout out Eamon. Shout out Bad Fox. Shout out Bilal. Blue Sky, you're back. I see you, bro. Bob Saget. Bullish Mike. Shout out 𝐂𝐴𝐳 and Sophia at home if she's watching. Our #1 youngest fan, Sophia. What's up, Claudio, Crypto W, Crypto Dad, Crypto Paper Root, shout out Crypto Storm, Crypto someone else. What's up, Derek Merrill, Derek Kwan, how you doing, bros? Everybody's here. They're just being quiet. Crypto Chris, I see you. I see you. Let's see. Darren Wilkes, DHD, Digital Tiger, Divine Hood, Aline Lee, Ellery Tan, Elton, Frag Demon, TK, Future Moves, Hello Saturdays. I'm him, Ryan Gosling. Hello, I'm him, Ryan Gosling. In tune. Ooh, we're moving. We're moving towards that short. I don't know what happens after that, but this is looking very, very juicy. Wait, is that where it is? No, this is where it is. This is where it is. Let's see. Into Janix, Jabs, Ori, shout out JJ, shout out Just the User, shout out the beautiful, wonderful, soon to be my future ex-wife Kai, Kareem Ibrahim Lee. What's up, man? Quicker, Kyan Medina, Lion Tribe, Mahala Jafari, all the ladies. Another beautiful lady in the chats. Hello, Mahala Jafari. How are you, darling? Good to see you. An OG here. What's up, Matt 2, Michael Allen, Michael Lawrence, Mickle 911, MJ, Monkey Euphoria, Mr. Days. How you doing, friend? N1989, Nitic, Nata, NBF Forum, Nitro, Max Boy, Obe, Patrick, Katzenberger, Paul Wood, Paz, Maria, another beautiful lady in chat. Free Will, Randy Greer, Rising Sun, Robert Bree, Romanian Pitbull, Roro Crypto, Arturo 80, Ryan, Satish, Scott Lux is back, another G. How you doing, bro? Slarvar, Slarvar, Pickle, Tillin, Tony Crockett, Trader NZ, TWA, Vince Butcher, Watoshi, Zalcaro Extra 03, your boy Drizzy. What's up, Drizzy? WKU Consulting. We got a lot of names. What's up, Rag? How y'all? How is everyone feeling? If you are new in the chat, if you are new to crypto, I definitely want to know. This number's coming up with 1,100 votes now. We have 17% new to crypto. Are we getting served to new crypto people? That's amazing. Welcome. You found the right channel. 25%, of course. Not new to crypto, but new to this channel. What's up? Put something in chat, friends. Let me shout you out. What's up, Dominicus? Dominicias? Great, you're great. Lewis OG, what's up, brother? Alpha Bros, we're going back up to 113K. I don't doubt it. Can you see any strong possibility to skyrocket today? Or are we in a bearish trend? Maralia M. Yeah. I still am looking for a 100K test. I'm not loving what we're seeing here on the low time frames. Here's where I can't agree, though. Strong possibility. No, not seeing strong possibility, but there is possibility. I am seeing that. That is what we were looking for to happen today. Yesterday, it hasn't happened yet, right? We haven't broken to a lower low. We very, by a hair, have held on to yesterday's low. So I will actually pat myself on the back here and say I wasn't wrong yet. Yesterday, while we were streaming this, saying I think the low is in today and for December. Technically, this is slightly higher, so that is still correct for now. We'll find out. What's good, Axie-centric? What's good, bro? Robert Bree. Fag, you want to look at Fag? You like Fags? Tom Army here. What's up, Spaceland? Future Moves. We going up? You like it or not? I mean, we're going up eventually. I don't know if it's like we're going to rock it this second, but up is the direction. We don't short. We must take out the long, says me and myself. Go for it. What's up, Orlin? Liked. Thank you, Michael Lawrence. Can we look at ORDI? Yeah, ORDI's taking a pounding. I can pull ORDI up. What's up, Vegas Claw? New here, big boss. What's up, big? What's up there, champ? How you doing, Vegas Claw? ORDI, I got an alert last night. I'm going to pull it up because I want to reset the alert. Ethereum looking like crap. It even kind of looked like crap yesterday. What's up, Lane? Yeah, we did not place a new trade on ORDI for a reason. Looks like we closed the top on this one. ORDI largely ignoring support. Let's zoom out. I mean, I'm going to put my alert right here at 29. But let's zoom out. Yikes. Yikes. 33, man. For ORDI, there's, I don't love this chart, man. You really want to like bounce here. You want to bounce here at 33.6. You want to hold on to that previous month green. If you lose it, like, I don't know, man, 27.5 is still not filled from September, but that seems very bearish. That's a 15% from here drop. I wonder if this is it, right? I wonder if it's just like this. Like, then where to even target like 43? I wonder if this is the play. I don't like it though. I don't like it. I can say this. If ORDI trades down to 27.50, I might buy some. I might pick up some. The last time I bought ORDI, well, there it is. The last time I bought ORDI, it literally was 29.50, so that'd be slightly lower. I YOLO'd it right here back in December of 23, almost a year ago today. Bought it a year ago, and I'm up 10%. Woo, let's go. Woo. Woo, woo. Is there anything I'm missing on this chart? I don't think so. Man, 27.30, that's it. That's all I got below. That's really all I'd be looking at. That's weird. We'll see what happens here. Any ORDI fans in the house? Just got an alert. Bitcoin crossing. Oh, got to go back to the corn. Back to the bottom of the order block. Meh. Meh. Not a lot. Not a lot of spice. 12 minutes left in this candle. We did not get the short filled. No. It's okay. That's okay. We rolling over? Man. I don't see it rolling over yet. Just another spicy day. I'm going to turn on some sounds. YouTube. No copyright dubstep mix. See if we can find a better one today. What's up, bros? I see the subscribers. Hold up, hold up. Watch your speakers. I don't know how loud this is going to be. No, not very loud because it's muted. There we go. Not bad. I'm going to turn down just a little bit. Let me know how that audio is. Let me know how the volume is. GRT, thoughts on ADA and GRT. You're new to my channel. Appreciate it. What's up, Mark? How you doing, brother? Oh, yeah, man. ADA. Let's take a peek at what happened here with ADA. I know a lot of people are going to be looking at it today. Our orders from yesterday. Filled, baby. Filled. During yesterday's sell-off, we had already placed $1.94 entries. Diverging from Bitcoin here, ADA did move lower than yesterday, which is unfortunate. Not a great sign of strength. However, I still think those were the entries. I still think 94 cents is going to age well, and I still believe ADA has more upside to put in, let's say, into next year. If we do lose these lows, so if Bitcoin breaks down, let's say it trades below 92, likely alt's going to eat more shit here, realistically. If that happens, I'll be looking for 81 cents on ADA. Not a bad place to look. I think it is a strong support that, if tested, is going to hold. Let me turn this down just a little bit. There we go. Strong support that, if tested, is going to hold. But for now, I'm feeling confident in these, at least for a return back up, let's say to 114. Likely going to follow the rest of the market, the greater market. I'm missing subscribers. What's up, Marawan Mansour? How are you? Trading with Purpose. Welcome, friend. Shout out Red Burn 34. Shout out Kako N. Shout out Olo Foray. How you doing, brother? Terrorist Taz. How you doing? Coeen Mulkins Frag Demon. I already got that one. We looked at ORDI. All the trad investors are probably looking at the charts like, hell no, we ain't onto this. Absolutely Digital Tiger, and that's what we want. That's what we need. We want people afraid. We want people afraid while we're moving up. That combination is like perfect. Price go up, but fear go up is the moon recipe. Absolutely. Turbo, just the chart we had up. 1 cent entry filled yesterday. Did move lower, similar to 88. It seems like alts are moving lower than yesterday's low. But still holding on to that 1 cent mark. In fact, it's back to the entry. 134 seems, or 1.34 cents seems pretty logical. I think you can likely ride this higher. Turbo has really spent a lot of time accumulating, we'll call it, right at its previous all-time high. I'm still looking for some kind of combination of this move to the upside. Likely going to have to wait till this little corrective period, this bloody period, is over, but I'm still banking on that same move. GALA from yesterday, 4 cents, filled like that, still in profit. GALA holding that low. Actually, I'm surprised. This trade is looking very solid, back to 8 cents. Let's go. JASMY, long didn't quite fill like XRP, but it did not fill today. Still looking for that full 3.5 cent test. Short still good, but I'm looking to pick up a long here on JASMY. 3.55 cents, something like that, just a little bit lower here. I think this chart's still looking fire. BNB placed yesterday, 650, no lower low, still in profit on that. In fact, did not retest that low at all in today's candle. Those of you getting skittish, 721, a great place to look to close early, but I think you can ride BNB in a bigger, longer term picture. I think it's going to $1,000 easy next year. We'll see what happens at the end of this year, but easy into 2025, $1,000 on BNB. FTM with the perfect retest of the trade entry at $1. That low has been defended. Looking for 214 on FTM. Yeah, that's looking more solid than many of them. Ethereum, sorry I didn't get Ethereum. We're back. So Ethereum here. I know you guys were asking about it. Ethereum, I thought it actually broke this low. Looking sketchy, to be honest. Let's look at that BTC pair. Struggling. While it's still moving along kind of what we've been expecting it to do, it's really sticking to that trend line. Let's see. Yeesh. Maybe Ethereum isn't going to bounce against Bitcoin the same way I was thinking it would. Higher time frames still look all right though. They still look good for the bounce. I wouldn't be surprised to see Ethereum move back down by the end of the month to 0.35 and then move to 0.05 against Bitcoin. I still think that's happening. And I still think that is when we'll see Ethereum actually make moves. And right now it's showing more weakness. And you can see that on the chart here on the day. This low in the 3rd of December retested on the 9th of December. Right, 9th. And then retested again today, December 10th. Little bit higher low. It's holding on. But any trading for Ethereum under 3,500, man, you are going to have to be looking lower. You're going to have to be looking for major supports below you. And unfortunately, Ethereum has built none with this big candle last month. Nothing. Like, this doesn't have anything on the month until, I don't know, 2,600. That's not the prediction. That's not my prediction for it yet. We'll see. But I guess like 3,000.5 retrace, man. Like, things get very sketchy for Ethereum if it breaks 3,500. In fact, that's probably the play. That's probably the play right there. And then you can try to bottom snipe this monthly unfilled down here if it really gets shitty. There it is. There it is. Now clean this up a wee. Done. On the other side, I put this yesterday too. If Ethereum does manage to return to 4,000, it may be primed for a short. 4,000 with a stop pretty close. I'd say like 4,200 would be rather safe. If you're bearish on Ethereum long term, let's say it fails to hold 0.33 against Bitcoin and keeps dumping, that short probably going to print for Ethereum. We'll find out. I hope that's not the case. Keep a close eye on 3,500. Link kind of dancing here at 21. I don't have much update on Link, high or low, at least defending yesterday's low. Turbo we already looked at. MOG not moving. Bitcoin dominance, the biggest question mark here. Bitcoin dominance may be signaling that alt season is still not here, despite let's say a month of green for alts, it is very possible that Bitcoin dominance rallies again past this 61 as Bitcoin into the next year, into 2025, moves to like, let's say 120K. This is very possible it returns to this trend. This was the first sign of weakness, but the first sign of weakness is never a guarantee. Look at this dominance candle. It seems the more volatility there is, the more dominance goes up. Bitcoin made a little dumperoo, retook all of those gains from the alts, man. It is back to a green candle. And I think if it makes a move towards 120 this month, which I'm still expecting, at least back to like 105, the highs, maybe 110, but towards there as the next year opens, it's very possible that this returns to the 60% mark. Alts go back to hibernating for a while. Be careful. Keep that risk management tight. Interesting, total crypto market cap not in a green month. Bearish engulf on the week, not great. We always want to see this green, but there are going to be red candles along the way. Currently at 3.3 trillion, untested as support. 3 trillion sits below us. This would not be a bad spot to look for a retracement. So that would be kind of overall a 10% dump. We'll find out. Pretty much a double bottom on the low today. Ooh. Interesting. PEPE, look at PEPE against Bitcoin. This could be some alpha actually. Sorry guys, I'm in the zone. We're just getting through some charts here. Please continue to chat in the live. The more you guys chat, engage, like, subscribe, etc., the more YouTube shows this to new people, and that keeps this channel going. Look at this, PEPE against Bitcoin. That is a pretty perfect back test of its BTC pair highs there, man. Whoa. If support holds here, PEPE likely moving up against Bitcoin, moving to that next upside target. So much so that I think I can throw this on. Let's go. 3.72 to 1. That might print Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's see. I like that trade. I think the stop could even be tighter, which is pretty exciting for it. USD pair kind of back to these supports, back to range supports. Let's see. Our previous long closed in profit. Let's roll. Let's do this. Let's do this guy. Since we're bullish on the BTC pair, logical to be bullish on the USD pair as well. There we go. You take it right back to that high with a decent stop loss for 2.7, or you can look higher to the next upside target. That's a spicy meatball. Boom. I like PEPE all of a sudden. Haven't traded PEPE in a while, but I like it all of a sudden. Looks good. Solana holding on. Damn, did not fill 200 though. Holding on. Yeah, slightly lower low. Not seeing any upside thrust quite yet on Solana. Our long trade is still filled, still unstopped, but it is getting a little sketchier. I have pretty high confidence this will return at least minimum 235 in the shorter term. Doge might be breaking down here slowly. A little bit of a shift in market structure. A little bit. I wouldn't call it cooked quite yet. But if Doge does lose these levels that it's built, 28 cents is the logical entry. And if 28 cents comes for Doge, you should thank your lucky stars, because that is likely the entry for the rest of this bull run. The entry. If you get 28 cents, I doubt we see it again. This might be a channel though. I'm not worried. For some reason, I think really what this is still a flag, right? A flag with a fake break to the upside, fake break to the downside. That's still going to look to resolve up to the all-time high. Doge is going to its all-time high this cycle, my opinion. I don't really see a world where that doesn't happen. It just might go to 28 cents first. It'll be a blessing. You'll get to load up. I can't even look at Litecoin today. Velo hit support. XYO. This has caught my eye. I don't own any XYO, but guys, this chart very cleanly made its move up and now is just flagging, dude. It seems like it's not paying attention to the rest of the market, kind of finding its own strength here. I am not sure why or if it will last, but we put this little bar pattern based on this and it's doing the exact same thing again. 5.2 cents, 8 cents seem like pretty logical targets. I would just very much prefer to see this happen first. I want to see that 2 cent entry on XYO. Give me the entries, baby. Not a lot else, huh? Better give me space. Okay, going back to the corn. Not a lot happening there. Sorry, guys. I was in the chart zone, but I am back. I apologize. I apologize. I like the split today. XLM. What's up, Fabio? Tezos. XLM. IMX. Mr. R. XRP. We did look at XRP. RLUSD just got confirmed. What is that? RLUSD. You already hit up XRP? I did. But, I mean, let's pull it back up. Looks like it's moving back to 225. That is its local resistance. That resistance sent us down into our entry. Looking for further upside on a break of 225 for the Rippler. What's up, Dr. Cymac? What's up, bro? I know I'm missing subscribers. Soe Gamer. Soe Gamer. FaZe Parvez Rudine. How you doing? Marawan. We haven't had a lot of subscribers in the last like 15-20 minutes. We got a lot of viewers still. If you're out there, if you're new, put something in the chat. Say hello. Let me shout you out. Subscribe. Join the fam. Join the Discord. According to Ripple's schedule, it releases 1 billion XRP from escrow every month. Yes, and it has done that for as long as it's existed. Yeah. Ripple have final approval for RLUSD. Is it just another stablecoin? I don't find that exciting, to be honest. Do your research, have exit targets, take profit on the way up. No matter, I agree. Make a plan. I've been yelling about that all stream. Doesn't even matter if it's the best plan in the world or not. Make a plan, stick to it. Boom. Tia USD. You have subscribed. What's up? Pahalindoloso. XRP. Whoa. Whoa. XRP is pulled up right here. Literally pulled up right here. Wait. Oh, I was gonna hit show. Can we look at 88,000 to support pullback? 88,000. Tell me your logic for it. Sam, tell me the reason you're looking at 88,000. That's Ripple's XRP stablecoin. Yep, I understand that. That's not gonna get me excited, to be honest. Look at many chains with stablecoins. Prod, you're not informed. Yeah, bro, you're coming on to my stream. I have 142,000 people who follow me on YouTube. 1,300 of them currently watching this live stream for my information. And you're telling me I'm not informed. How about this? Tell me why it's exciting. Because this isn't against Ripple, bro. This is just in general. How many chains have stablecoins? Has it been transformative for them? How many chains have added stablecoins over the last 2 years? Has it been transformative for them? Tell me. Don't just tell me I'm uninformed. Tell me why, bruh. Tell me why. What's a good entry for XRP? We showed you it. It's been here. It's right here. It's still there. In my opinion, that's where it's at. Can you tell me about Uniswap? Probably. Hopium? Probably. My thoughts, XRP, CAS? CAS actually has been doing better than it was, hasn't it? CAS was struggling, and I think it actually kind of held some gains recently. We can check out CAS here in a minute. Woof woof dog. Have I tried Botrix? I don't know what that is. GALA. New sub, like your style, keep up the good work. Thank you, Jimmy. Jimmy Villain, the man. Yeah, bro, we're just chilling, bro. I'm not the best businessman on YouTube. I just stream, and I'm just like a normal dude. And we chill, and I just want people to be successful in crypto. It's changed my life. That's what I want for you. I have turned down millions of dollars, millions, not an exaggeration, probably $10 million to I've turned down that money because it was offered to shill you guys crap. Like, tell your audience to buy this rug. We'll give you 50 grand. Tell them to buy this like bullshit coin. We'll give you 25 grand. And over 6 years of lives here, I've gotten thousands of offers like that. And guess what? Almost all of them are just rug pulls. You guys get wrecked. You'd be surprised. Virtually every channel on YouTube does that. They take money from those projects. Virtually every channel. There are exceptions, but there's not as many as there should be. Can we check out DOT? We could look at DOT probably. Here's GALA. I don't know who's asking for it. GALA hit 41. Beautiful entry. So far holding on here. This was placed so long ago, and it just instantly filled during yesterday's live while we were live. This is a magnet down to that entry, 41 cents on GALA. Let's see. Not looking the best yet still. See a little bullish divergence here on low time frames on RSI, but that's maybe not enough. I mean, I think at this point what I would do with this trade is I would just move the stop up, because it's like either this is the low and this is the higher low and it's going to retrace here, or this low is just waiting to get dumped again. Even on a dead cat bounce kind of scenario for the gal, and I'm not taking this trade. I don't really like this coin. Even for like the dead cat bounce scenario, I think you could play this. Of course, none of this is financial advice, guys. I'm not always right. I just share the way I would do it. Please make your own decisions. Take all of the knowledge that I put out here and use it, copy it, plagiarize it, whatever. It doesn't matter. If it helps you trade, good. Just don't blindly copy it. It's not a way to be successful. You will not succeed in this space blindly copying people. New York approves MYP stablecoin. Yeah, let me go back to that because people were going hard at me. Like, people who have been in crypto 2 years. You're uninformed. You don't know what you're doing. Yeah, all right, buddy. I remember my first bull run. Calm down. I was buying XRP before you knew what crypto was. Where is the comments? So I want to know why it's transformative. Why is it revolutionary? Neural. I think we're going back too far. What time is it? 3:08. No, man, lots of comments here. What up? What up, Toby Chapman? I see you. What's up, Eli? Telstar X Drive, Naz Red Indo R9, Life in AI TV. What's up, man? Dragon Kaluaz, Merrick Plitch, Mr. 𝐒𝐽 subscribed, Jacob Gardner subscribed. What's up, boys? One Lambo. Check XRP. I guess you guys just want XRP up. So here's where we're at. We've looked at XRP multiple times today during this live. XRP right now looks like it's heading back to 225. This is your local support that was broken. You rejected from it. You tested that support as resistance. It rejected price. You moved down to your major support. It ran past it a little bit, 190. Now looking to retest that resistance. If it can break through that resistance, break through 225, we'll look for a deeper retracement. What? 250? 250 is probably a good number. 250 on XRP. 250. 250, 260. I like 260 actually. Even though that's higher than the fib. Kind of like this. Take it like this. There you go. Make it a zone. 250, 260 on a break at 225. That 12-hour candle right from the entry. Holy fuck. Fire. I'm just skeptical at what happens here at 225. If it retakes it, it's like a V-shaped recovery. It's going right back up. There's XRP. Keep hitting those subscribes. We've had quite a few subscribers on this live, but if you subscribe while we're live, this will roll over in real time. It's very exciting. Your name will pop up. I'll shout you out. What's up, Trevor Weasley? First-time user, first-time viewer, holder of XRP, which you bought a few years ago. So far, your only strategy has been to hold and try to learn more. Well, Trevor, that's a good strategy, my friend. That's a good strategy. Holding in crypto, time and patience is like the #1 most valuable skill in this space. VeChain, Bitcoin pumping. Don't lie to me. You're full of shit. I hate when you guys lie to me. Didn't pump. Patience, bro. Weasley. Where was that? Vet. It used to be Ven. Patience, just holding, man. A lot of what I have made, like you guys see me trade here all the time, but I'm real with you. A lot of this is just for content. A lot of the trades are just for content. I come live every day. I want to show you guys something. If I showed you my if I showed you my swing trades, right, that sometimes take years between entering and exiting, it wouldn't make good content. Most of my wealth in crypto has been made by buying Bitcoin over time and doing nothing. Nothing. Trading is kind of good to like get the itch out, stay engaged with the space, but nothing beats buying and holding, man. Stacking over time, nothing beats it. Never seen anyone beat just stacking and holding over time. They'll beat it for a little bit, right? They'll like trade and they'll be up and they'll be like, look, see, it's better than holding. But those people always end up giving it back. Always. There's not a big update for VET. VeChain hit the entry again. So many coins yesterday. I loved how many of you tuned in to watch this yesterday. The sell-off filled us on like 50 entries that have been sitting for, I would say, a week plus. VET was one of them. We've had some very, very good luck with VeChain so far in our recent trades. 5.1 cents. Here is like my only thing I'm looking at. 5.1 cents. I think this is the bounce. I think we move back to the highs. Let's say 6.8 for now. The only thing that kind of drags me, kind of grabs my eye here, right here, 4.5 on the day. This is where our TP for the last trade was for our long. Higher low, broke through, went to the next resistance. It would not be crazy to see this tapped again. 4.5 cents. We are really close to that 5-cent entry. But this would not be crazy. Patience might be rewarded here. Let's do it like that. Patience might be rewarded here on VET. I'll put an alert there. What's up, JB Gamers? How you doing, man? I was ranting about holding. Let me pull this back up. There he is, Trevor. Imagine those who bought Bitcoin for 24 cents in the day. Oh, absolutely. The problem is very few of them actually held. Very few of them held to today. Like, if you held Bitcoin from 24 cents to today, you're never selling it. Like, what number would you sell it, right? Why would you sell it at $1 million at this point? Why would you sell it at like 500,000? What's the difference, you know? Those people, if you still have it, you're just on the ride. You're on that ride forever. 1 week time frame, bunch of support, strong pullback, 90 to 88. I see you, Sam. We can look at it. You missed entry on DOGE Bitcoin. Ooh, future dreams. You're tempting me here. Let me look. Trevor Weasley, what kind of content do you make? You have a check mark as well. Cheers to a fellow checkmark friend. What was I looking at? Thank you for checking the chart. Of course, of course. 1 week time frame on corn. All right. All right. Let's see. 1 week time frame on the corn. Where are you looking? What were you saying? 988? 1 week on corn. 1 week. You said to the 1 week time frame. 88, bro. 1 week. Why? Right here, just like randomly right here. It has nothing to do with the week. Just seems really random. I mean, hey, maybe it's so random that it'll be the right move, right? I guess this could be your argument. I'll go back to the chat in a second and check. This could be your argument. It's retracing. In fact, this is maybe something I should have said earlier. From August's low to our high in December, Bitcoin has not even begun retracing. I'll say it again. It has not even begun a retracement. We have a red candle, but this is not in retracement until 87,000 hits. Until you make a move upward, until you move back, you retrace to the 236 right here, the most shallow retracement on the fib. Until you do that, you're not even retracing. You're still just in the same defined uptrend. Nothing changed. That's the only place I can kind of find that number. 88, 87. I mean, there's probably other stuff, but let's get this off. You know what? Let's just do this. There it is. This is how we do it. Okay, we're going back to the chat. I like this. I like this. Keep subscribing. Keep hitting likes, guys. Hype up the chat. We still got 13, almost 1,400 live viewers. We have had hundreds of subscribers, hundreds of new people join our fam. If you are new here in the chat today, if you're new to crypto, put a message in the chat. I want to talk to you. I want to acknowledge you. If you aren't new to crypto, but you're new to this channel, that's okay too. I want you to do the same. Can we do the PEPE chart? We did the PEPE chart. We did the PEPE chart. We did the PEPE just for you, apparently. This was just placed, so I'm going to move it over. See how that goes. There it is. The PEPE chart and the PEPE chart versus BTC. Let's go. I'm going to leave these up while I look at the chat again. I know there were other coins I forgot. What's up, Bed Redding? I don't know how to pronounce that. 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐭 𝐎𝐧 what's up, man? Thanks for sharing the tips. Just subscribe. Wait, did you say what you do, Trevor? I'm curious. You know what? We can just do it this way. New to this channel, Randy Greer, my guy. There we go. Trevor! What do you do, Trevor? Ooh, music? What's up, Trevs? You know what, Trevor? Right back at you, bro. Right back at you. Oh, that's weird. You get a check mark for the music creator thing? I didn't know that. Congrats. Peanut, did I do ADA chart, crypto guy? I did. That I did. You want Bitcoin to get flushed? I bet you do. This isn't really crypto. It's just trading crypto. Jingle boy, I don't know what that means. This isn't really crypto. It's just trading crypto. I am new to crypto. What's up, Abdul Waisay? What's up, my guy? Hey, from India. How you doing, Armit? Who else said they're new? Please review HNT asks Daniel. Tia asks Chanaka. 88K is just below 318. You start the fib at the rally. Maybe. I can look at it then. Who else said they're new? Anybody? Ooh. J Duff. What's up? Looking at Soul. You can pull up Soul. What's up, Bad Saf? Catching up. We did do ADA. Peanut. We didn't look at Peanut. Cosmos. Dot. You're new here. What's up, George? Welcome, George. Daniel Lehman. Can we look at Raven Coin? Yeah, but it's pretty sad. Adam, you're entering bet 6 cents before getting liquidated. Should I put it at 5? Yeah. New to the channel? What's up, Mango Dad? You know what? Let's do this. I asked whoever's new to say they're new. Just so I can shout you out, welcome you. Shane, you're not new, but you're welcome. Shout you out anyway. Squawkers McCall. What's up, brother? The old Squawkers is here. Good to have you. Kindly guide you, Abdul. That's what we do here. Hughes family, you're new to me, but been in crypto since 21. Welcome, Hughes. If you haven't been on the Tom Crown channel, you're probably having a rough time in crypto. Welcome, you found your home. You're old, raggedy, and cynical. That's fine, Romanian Pitbull. Me too. Me too, brother. Did I get everybody? Who else is new? 2 MTR Peter, you're newish. That's okay. Newish is still good. Good to have you. Your PP chart, bro. I have the PP chart and targets. We are not a signals channel. Do not blindly copy my trades and expect to like be a millionaire tomorrow. All of the trades I put out here are just my analysis, how I view the chart, how I might trade them, so that you guys can take whatever value it is. I don't know what value you're going to get out of it or the next guy, but whatever value you get, take it. It's yours. I don't want it back. It's yours. Just do not think you can blindly copy anybody and make money. That is not how markets work. You're new to the channel. Oh yeah, Paha Dylan Oloso. I can't say your name, but I remember you talking earlier, and I welcomed you. Corn Pumpin'. What's up, movie guy? New to the channel, a couple months in crypto. What's up, Miles Walton? Welcome. You're new? Could we look at DEAI? Richard Schuller. What is DEAI? Have I seen BG Beast Games meme coin? No, I have not, Raghav. Who else is new? I love the new. The new people are amazing. Bro, your longtime target, Pep. I got it up, bro. I don't know what you want. You're new here? What's up, Presley? How you doing? What's up, Smooth Tom? What's up, Sean Coons? My guy, Bads, you're new. Right on. I have been live here on YouTube almost 6 years guiding people. New people. Sometimes our content gets a little too advanced. Here we go. Our short on Bitcoin might be filling. The upside target finally hitting. Sometimes our content's a little advanced on the live streams. I understand that, but I've been trying. I'm working on something for newer people. If you are new, I ask you, try to push through a little bit of the jargon, push through a little bit of the complexity here. Take a few layers off of the onion, because what is in the middle is worth it. You have found this channel for a reason. That might sound weird now, but down the road, you'll understand. You have found this channel for a reason. On YouTube, if you were to open any given channel about crypto, it is a scam. It is a scam. Any given channel. I would say 95% or more of channels on YouTube are a scam in one form or another for crypto. They just siphon money from you. They accept money to damage you or to hurt your investing or trading. I do nothing. We have been live almost 6 years. You can Google it. We have 0 scandals, 0 scams, 0 grifts, $0 ever accepted. That would potentially even put you guys at risk. All I want is for you to succeed. I want you to have, and I want you to experience what crypto has done for me and changed my life. I'm not going to tell my whole story right now. Came from nothing. Crypto's the only thing that ever made me anything. I did the thing you're supposed to do. It got me nowhere. Here we go. Hourly pushing into that bearish fair value gap. The short is there. I'm not taking it. I just said if you're bearish, I think this is probably the price you're looking at. I'm not taking it. I'm still long. Beautiful. Beautiful. That is a classic freaking scalp. That's a classic scalp short there. What's up, Ashley Gomez? Becoming a member. Welcome, Ashley. You know what I've noticed? A lot of ladies in the chat over the last 48 hours, and I like that. Am I from the future hazard shot? Yes, I am, but only very slightly, like in a way that isn't like helpful, like 2 plank times from the future. But then there's like a 15-second delay on YouTube, so by the time you get it, it's in the past again. But you know. Ooh, what's up, Bajorn? How you doing, brother? Thanks for the great content. Thanks for being great, Bajorn. I appreciate your 129 secs. I think that's like $10 or something. I appreciate you. You're new as of yesterday. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was looking for a crypto that broke out yet. Yes, that's the trick. You're new here. What's up, Tac Nap? New to the channel, but you've been in crypto since 2020. Hell yeah. And watching Whiff at all. I am. But my whiff chart got all goofed up. I can pull it up then in a little bit. LRC BTC, probably. Let me see. You're not new in crypto. That's okay, Paco. Taylor Matrone, you're new. Welcome, friend. Just want to make sure all the new people get welcomed in. They're finding their home. New here. What's up, IK? TacNap got you. A lot of Fajine, you're new. No, you're not. Get out of here, bud. My batch. I think I got everybody. Keep letting me know. I'm here teaching you. That's right, Bad Saf. I love you, bro. Bad Saf, one of our G's. Bad Saf was here back when I used to one-on-one mentor people, and one of our, nude here. One of our success stories and traders. This guy's killing it. Did I do the new Coinbase Earn? I did not, though you guys should. You guys should. I have a Coinbase link in the video description below. If you don't have a Coinbase account, you should have one. Even if you don't use it as like your main trader. Your main trade, right? The reason being is, one, there's going to be a time where you want it. And two, Coinbase Earn is the only free crypto there is. It's not a lot of money, but hey, a few bucks is better than nothing, right? Especially if you're new. It's a great way to like just have it, get a little bags in there for free. Some random stuff. I highly recommend it. There is no such thing as free crypto outside of Coinbase Earn program. Again, it's capped like per person. I don't know, like maybe $50 or, it's not crazy. It's not going to change your life, but it's free. Get it. Link in the video description below. I'm going to type it in one more time. Use my link. TomCrown.io/Coinbase. There you go. Your new sub after your stream yesterday. Jaden was here. Hello from Hong Kong. What's up, Hong Kong? Shout out to Hong Kong. The short filling and making me uncomfortable. Though I did not take it, and I told you guys as I placed it, I was not going to take this trade. That's okay. That's okay. Another reason I tell you guys, do not copy my trades blindly, because I don't even take them all. I certainly don't take them all. Let's see. You said show trades. Here you are. Here's my big daddy long that's still open. Boom. Still open. And like the Chad we are, took off some profits here. I know it's hard to see with the way this format's. Give me a sec. The fudge. What the fudge? You guys should sign up for BYDFI, our new exchange partner, by the way. You'll see me trading on there throughout the lives. No KYC. Some awesome bonuses there. Why can I not move this, though? For real. I thought this is where I move it from. This? There we go. This is going to look janky. Okay, okay, wait up. And exchanges have come such a long way. There we go. Now we got the prices, the trades at the top here. $2,300 unrealized on this trade. Open live, monitored live here. 5.5 grand in realized profit on this bad boy. There's a live trade. Here's one that's not in such good position that was opened more recently. I'll pull this one up. Oh shit. Okay, it's back on. Nice. Back up here. All right. Not so bad. This was definitely underwater over the last 48 hours for a while. Here's a $10,000. I'd put $10,000 of Bitcoin. This is coin margined leverage. $10,000 on 5x. So it's 50 grand of Bitcoin. It's only up $222. It was very much down during the wick yesterday and today, but now back to the green. I debated closing this one, but I'm just going to keep it open. Just going to keep it open. Remember, guys, I do not win every trade. These are examples of me winning trades. I do win and profitable over time. But for the new people out there, you do not need leverage. This is so critical. No one else will tell you this because they make money. I make money when you sign up with my links. You sign up with BYDFI, you trade, I make some money. It's an affiliate link. Other channels will not tell you this because most of them, 95% of them, are a scam of some sort. They want you to trade as much as possible, even if that means you're going to get wrecked. If you are new, you do not need leverage. You do not need leverage. Repeat. If you want to learn to trade leverage, use my link, obviously, but you do not need it. Crypto has plenty of upside. You do not need to increase the risk. Period. You're new here. What's up, CH Moon? How you doing? JM new. Welcome. Do I consider options leverage? Yes, Bob Saget. I do. But I assume by you saying options that you are a more seasoned trader than most people here. Sorry, most new people. You don't need leverage. Do not start with leverage trading. Thank God it didn't exist when I started. You can work your way up to it. But other people won't tell you that because they're making money when you trade. Even if you lose all your money, they don't care. They made theirs. They don't give a shit. They say, F you, I made mine. I got mine, F you. That's what's wrong with this world. What's up, Super Tech, my bro? Our short filled. Smell your nuts? Sure. Go for it. No thank you, but, you know, to each their own. Here we go. Here we go. Man, this should have been the short. Oh, well. We placed a short today. It's filled. I'm actually seeing on a higher time frame, so this one likely to take longer. Here we go. I'm actually seeing a better entry, 97.3. Basically, all the levels we need to take, right? We're almost using reverse psychology to get this. We as bulls, me as a bull, I think we need to take these levels back. So logically, they're gonna be good places to look to short. I'm not taking any of them. However, if you are bearish, you're welcome to short. Don't let me influence you. If you think we're gonna go lower this year or into Q1, go for it. I don't. But that shouldn't influence what you think. So I'm basically just picking the levels that I don't want to see it reject at. And that would be right up here. Firstly, it was right here, but also now up here. 97 to 59. Our short did fill after quite some time while we've been live. It just finally filled in the last like 5 minutes. Those of you tuning in, yeah, it's not like, wasn't instant. Not hindsight. We don't LARP here. There we go. What else are we looking at? XRP honing in on that 225 level, flying up right now. Are we breaking it? What do you think, boys? Our long filled. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Send XRP to the moon. Our long was filled. It's time. What's up, Solomol? I see you subscribing. Mr. Abir. How are you, Mr. Abir? Welcome. Shout out to you. 225 in the live stream. Boom. Target hit. Let's go. You saw it live. You saw it live. You saw us place this long weeks ago. You saw this hit live on our call. Let's roll. I love when this shit happens live. It makes streaming fun. Streaming not so fun for a lot of the time through the bear market. Everything just moving sideways, doing nothing. What's up, Sweet Cake? Great name. Sweet Cake. Hey there, Sweet Cake. Yevin Kataman, 1 subscribing. Hindka. What's up? I see a lot of names. We've had like 300-ish new subscribers during this live. Let's make it 500. We gained 750 yesterday. Let's make it 500 today. At least. Now let's go for 750. That short filled and now seeing a little bit of red, feeling a little bit more comfortable. Actually, in real time right now, what we are seeing happen is price has climbed up through that hourly order block that we identified back here before price actually made it here. Right here. We can find this from this candle pattern right here called a fair value gap. Price moved up and rejected, at least for now. It doesn't mean it can't continue, but sitting just above that fair value gap, we had our monthly open. Price for about a second traded back to a green December. That's sitting at 96,470 and to the T pushed price back down. Sellers at the monthly open. I'm not convinced that like this goes down like this now or anything, but we are seeing profit taking back at the monthly open. This is one of our critical levels to retake. There are many of them and they're all right here, to be honest. They're all just right here. Very briefly, this was green, right back down. You're watching that in real time happen. Music stopped. How long have we been live? Pickle, I'm so lost without you, but I'm just going to replay this one. That was a pretty good mix. We've only gained maybe 300 subscribers. Not nearly as many as I thought. Only half as many as yesterday. That's still good, though. New fan members, always a blessing to have. Tom giving off 2021 vibes. Let's roll. Next year's 2021 vibes. This is 2020 vibes. Were you here, Fajian, for 2020? This is Tom's 2020 vibes. Next year's the 21 vibes. Don't worry. Next year is when I'll have amazing, crazy upside calls. And then the bull market will end and I'll still be bullish. And yeah, you know how it goes. It's not our first bull run here. New to the channel. What's up, Andreas Tangbrock? Welcome, brother. You found the right place. Hour 40 minutes. Thank you, Pickle. Check Supra. May call options back down 900. Thoughts on curve? You know, Bob, they have options for the US on Coinbase. I'm not supposed to talk about them. Yeah. Dated contracts. What's up, Alias? Will Bitcoin crash now? I don't think so. I think Bitcoin put in its low on the 5th? Bitcoin, in my opinion, put in its low on the 5th, right here, December 5th. Yesterday, I think it put in its low for this week. I think we're climbing up now. I think we're not crashing. I say that, and we have shorts open, but nah, I don't think so. XRP hit 225. What's going to happen? You guys said it would blast through it because of the new stable coins. I still never heard a good argument. What's up, Isla Lushak? Subscribed. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, put a message in the chat. Let me shout you out. Subscribe. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Can we look at Apple Dog on Solana now? Probably not. Rufarius. I'm sorry, bro. I don't know what that is. Let's see. You've never said anything in any of our live streams other than, can I look at this? It would mean a lot. Well, bro, why would I care what means a lot to you? You don't mean a lot to this channel, ooh-woo. If you were a regular, hell yeah. What's up with the CME gap? We can look. Trading options on master seems manipulated. I bet that shit is crazy valued. What's up, Tyler Frama? How you doing? We're gonna look at Bitcoin CME right now, as I didn't even look, and it was Monday yesterday. We have new gaps. We got new stuff. There's no gap. There's nothing. There's really no gap here. Yesterday filled the gap. I mean, if you want to split hairs, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or CME, Bitcoin futures, if you want to split hairs, I mean, there's a $100 gap right here. But wait, no, a little bit more. I don't know why they didn't stick. $200 gap. But to be honest, this is such a small value that I don't think it's worth even calling it a gap, right? That is 0.2%, I believe. Not even 0.19%. 0.16%, excuse me. It's not even really worth looking at. There are gaps below us. I'm not a gap boy. I'm not someone who believes gaps have to fill by any means. But here you are. We can look at them. There are no gaps below us at the moment until 92.4 down to 91.9 or 92K and 91.9. Below that, there is a bigger gap. And actually, I will shout out. Someone was asking about 88K or something, right? And I said, I can't really find 88K on the chart. Shout out to you, as 88K is an open CME gap. Fair enough. That would have been decent logic to bring to me. Fair enough. I mean, I'll take that over kind of what I found, which was not a lot. You have a bigger gap down here on CME for Bitcoin, and that is 89,000. Might as well call it 90,000 to 88,000. There are more. I could go on. There are more. There is a huger, bigger unfilled gap down here, 80K to 77.3. We got a tiny little one down here at 95. Tiny little unfilled one down here at 53. There's a tinier little one down here at 39. Tinier little one down here, 29, 26, 21, and then all the way down here. This is where all the perma bears were born in 2020. All the perma bears you know were born in 2020 right here. By the way, that was their birthday. At 9.6K, the one that wrecked everybody. There are people who believe gaps have to fill. I'm not sure why they believe that. I think they just want to believe that. They want to live in a world where things can be predictable like that. I think they're wrong. Gaps don't have to fill. Certainly, some of these could. I don't think any of these ever fill. I am very confident. I'm very confident none of these ever fill. This ain't coming back, bros. Sorry, you missed it. Up here, I mean, certainly any of these could fill. Even, we were looking at this earlier, right? We were looking at, on the day, we were looking at this potential on the day, right? Down to 71. Wasn't calling for it, but I'm saying if this comes, it's probably a great entry. You look at CME, that's right here. That would just be filling this gap, right? So that's possible. These are all possible. But none of them have to fill. There is nothing that enforces them. There's nothing that guarantees they come. Here we go, XRP. Let's go. Ripple pushing up. Ripple fans, is it because of the stable coin? Is it the stable coin doing it? You know what's interesting? XRP, the USD pair rally stopped exactly with the BTC pair. If you were watching this and you saw the rejection into last week, you likely would have been able to accurately call the USD top. That's why we watch these pairs. These pairs give us value. This is XRP's value against Bitcoin, and as you can see, it has not been a great journey. It peaked in 2017 and since then has just really bled off over that time. If it can actually move higher than it did last week, it has broken resistance and it may begin an uptrend against Bitcoin. We've never really seen that happen. Never really seen that happen in the history of watching these pairs. But here we go, the dollar pair pushing up, retaking resistance potentially. I doubted it. Maybe I was wrong to doubt it. We called the 225 today. 225 has hit, and now maybe putting on ground, boys. Look at these wicks. We got the Philly Phil. Let's go. What's up, Pluto Bollick, my friend, the most recent subscriber? How are you? Welcome to our fam. I'm liking this beat, this jam. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, this short. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, short. Crazy Crypto Savvy is so young. Is he young? How old is he? By the way, he is absolutely one of the people that I said was born in 2020. I guess that's why he's so young, Jordan Allen. You're not new to crypto, but new to your channel. I mean, look at Move. Gil, are you new to the channel? Bro, you should tell your audience when a coin wants you to shill it. That way we know not to buy it. You know what, Gil? You've added value here. Yeah, Nathan, weed for 25 bucks. For 25 Bitcoin. Oh, that's the most expensive fucking bowl you ever packed, Gil. Move, all right. That's a good idea. Maybe I should start. Well, here's the problem, actually. So that's a great idea, Gil. I should share with you guys when they want me to shill. Here's the issue is, so in order to even get to that part in the process, right? So they contact me and say, we want you to promote our project. I don't reply, or I say, fuck off, right? I don't move that forward. I would have to engage with them and kind of like go down that path with them before I got to what, you know, whatever it is. So you've incepted the idea in my mind, and I like that. And in the future, when I see something that, you know, maybe they start with it, our project is this, we want you to promote it, I'll share it with you guys, but I have no plans of going down that rabbit hole with them. You know, like I'm not gonna go down that rabbit hole. This coin looks like it was just listed, my friend. Ooh. And pumped as fuck on listing. MEXC listed it a while ago. Looks like Binance and Coinbase listed it today, which is very odd. It's very odd to me. Very odd to me that they would list them that close together. Looks like it hit $1 on listing. Man, I wouldn't fuck with this, brother. What's the market cap on it? I wouldn't mess with it. I would look for 12 cents. It's at 65 cents. I'll look for 12. I would not touch this today with your money. Boom. There it is. What's up, Just Patrick? There you are. Oh, I'll set an alert here. I'll set an alert up here to $1.50. Dude, I don't think that's going to be going off for a while. Got that chart on my radar, though. Our short looking more and more wrecked here. Initially, we saw a rejection from the monthly open, literally at this price that we're at right now, 96.5. Initially. However, it seems that the bulls have something else in mind here. Back to, it's like a doji, but back to a green month. Right here, this is the battleground. It literally starts right here, 96.5. And then you go to the week, and you see it's really 96.5 to 97.3. It's right here. We need to see this week move up. Let's get rid of this. We need to see this week move up and close above 97.3. Get rid of that bearish engulf. Set the next week up to pump to break your highs. I think it's happening. On the day, so this is like the thing. Monthly, right here. Weekly, 97.3. Daily, 97. All of the resistance in this zone, in this area, is right here. We're battling it out right now. If we escape this, we're going right back to the highs. If we're rejected by it, we go back down, maybe retest 94. If we lose 94, we're looking for 92. If we lose 92, look out below. Look out below. I mean, it still wouldn't be the end of the bull run, but like, your guess is as good as mine where we go if we break 90. Is this still the no copyright music? By the way, we are live here almost every day. Almost every day, but we're live for sure Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 1 p.m. East. We've been going live later because it's been spicier, actually, like 2 p.m. East. But we'll be live again tomorrow at 1. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. Check out the links in the video description below. Sign up with any of them, and you'll get into our exclusive private group, trading group in Discord. Doesn't cost you anything. Everything's free here. You can check out the trading course on YouTube. There's the shill out of the way. Got all the links out of the way. It'll go up after 4 p.m. East. That's in 15 minutes. I like that. What's up? 88 lol. I don't know what that refers to. Oh, 88K. What are the thoughts on DGen, if any? I don't really think I have any. 88K. So, well, 88K is on here. 87K is on here just because it is where this chart is retracing. If we trade below 87, it's actually retracing. We are not retracing yet. We are still in this same uptrend. We have not begun a retracement until the 236, the shallowest retracement, has been hit. So at the moment, we're still uptrending. If we lose 94, 92, 90, like this is here. I don't know how I feel about a bounce at 87, but like it's just there for memory, right? 71.3K. This would be an amazing entry if it comes. There's no guarantee. I'm bullish. That hasn't changed. It's not gonna change. We're the home of the Bulls, brothers. We were calling for the bull run January 1st, 2023. We're almost like, we're at like day 700 of calling the bull run. XRP settling back down under 225. Still has time today. In fact, it doesn't even really need to close above it today. That'd be great though. That would be great. But honestly, just any green candle here on the day, this little doji, I think is a beautiful setup to enter that 260 zone. Entry was fire. Absolute fire. Anyone who took this trade at 196, if you're feeling skittish and you think the market is about to tank more, right here, 225, that's the TP. That's where you close the trade. Like if I was not confident in an XRP position I opened, I would, that's the freaking 15% gain in what, 2 hours, 3 hours? I would take it, close, and walk away, be happy with my money. That's what I would do. Let's take a peek at some other stuff. Anything moving? JASMY still not filling us on the long. Short still alive. BNB filled the long yesterday during the live. ADA filled at 94 cents and $1. Still looks fine to me. FTM getting a little bit more of a bounce off $1. Let's go. Ondo 150. Now up to 160. That was looking shady for a minute. Ondo showing some solid strength off of its previous all-time high. I like that trade. That is such a solid trade. Well done to anybody who took that at 150. Give yourself a pat on the back. Ethereum still kind of looking like shit. We'll see. Link has not been exciting to me for a little bit. Mog not really moving. It's just a knife. PEPE. I think the PEPE trades are going to slap, to be honest. They look slappy. PEPE against Bitcoin, I think, has a great entry. PEPE against the dollar, I think, has a confluential, strong entry to that Bitcoin pair. Beautiful. Sol, I don't know. I kind of still think it's hitting 200. We'll see. Doge, doing the Doge thing. No change there yet. Litecoin, I can't look at you right now. Litecoin, it hurts my soul. Velo might have an entry here. I don't know. I don't really want to trade Velo, though. Maybe I do. Nah, I'd prefer Velo at 1.9 down here. I have to take Professor Beans to the vet today. I forgot. It's like in a few hours, though. Ooh, ORDI. Did our weird little market order, is it playing? It might be. It might be. Our weird little market order. Places during the live. I don't like this trade, guys. I would not take this trade. But hell, it might work. I think ORDI's due for a bounce. You can get a good risk to reward just right here. 3.72. 35% upside, 9% downside. I like that trade. Banana. Well has not moved, so I'm gonna close the chart. Dog, boys. Dog. Wait, someone said my dog entry is missed or something. That does not seem to be the case, fam. Why would you say that? Why would you say such things? Did this yesterday for Dan. Crypto Capital Venture asked for Doge. And we delivered. Entry 0075. Hit. Traded as low as 0072. Stop. Fine. Looking for a penny. And that's looking very good. That's looking hella good. That's a 32% upside, 11% drawdown, and wow, putting on gains. We had so many fire fills yesterday. Oh my God. 13% already. Let's fucking go. I'm getting alerts. XRP. XRP might be breaking out right now. I said that's a TP if you're skittish. And it did not like that. Back tested 225. Now we're putting on ground. Let's go XRP. It might be making that move to 250 faster than I thought. Let's go. What's up, Duba Cooler Mechanic? Naveed Ahmed subscribed. Just Patrick. Bitcoin not really moving. It's XRP right now taking the show. Perfect entry. Telegraphed live right here. Let's refresh. Check CAS. We can check CAS. I'll check WIF too. TRX. I don't know. TRX didn't really have anywhere to like enter. Hello everybody. Good to finally talk to everybody again. That's right, Sean. Welcome. What word? Bitcoin hasn't really done much. That's why I'm saying Bitcoin. It's punishing that short. What, H-bar? H-bar's been running with XRP, so maybe that's a good one. What do you think? Ooh. If only we had looked at this yesterday, man. I probably wouldn't have thought long at 23.6. I probably would have been like 18.2. But you did tap that pretty clean. Let's do this. This trade is very greedy. This is a very greedy trade. I would not take this one. But I think the logic here is not bad. Stop below yesterday's low and you just target 40 cents. That's it right there. You lose this. This is the entry. 18.2 much better. Of course, we did not get filled at 11.5. It just didn't happen. So maybe it's off the table now. Let's make these less annoying. There it is. Boom. I like this. I'm going to share that in the group then. That. Boom. We got a lot of homework to do. VeChain still bouncing from our target. Let's go. XRP's taking the show, dude. XRP's at 230 now. F the shorts, Fizzy Rex. Stupid shorts. Don't get mad at shorts, brother. You need shorts, you need longs. Markets need both. Turbo hasn't moved. Get wrecked shorts, I agree. Shorts can certainly get wrecked. Can we check Samo? Get effing wrecked. Get effing wrecked, shorts. You're talking about XRP. You're saying BTC's blasting off. Why do you keep doing this to me, guys? It's not moved. It has not moved. Why do you keep telling me it's blasting off? I want it to blast off. XRP is like maybe blasting off right now. What's up? 𝐂𝐴ZAVARO subscribed. Making that number roll over, having their name pop up here. If you are new in the chat, if you are new on the channel, you're new to crypto, put something right here. Check out Samo, Solana's first meme coin. We'll see. XRP to the moon. Something happened on Coinbase, just went down. Did it? I don't think Coinbase went down. The login, Coinbase's login might have gone down, like their login server, but their exchange is still online. What's up, Benjamin Virazalok? You can tell because candles are still printing here. Do I have a Samo chart? I don't know, man. We got other interesting stuff going on. We got 1,400 viewers. I don't have a Samo chart. I'll make one, I guess, but I don't think I'm going to spend a lot of time on it. I'll be honest with you guys. You guys super chat for a chart. It's a risk you're taking. There's no guarantees I'm going to get to them today. A weird chart. Doesn't look terrible, but actually might look good. What do you mean this is a meme coin though? It started in 2021. What do you mean it's like the first meme coin? Sammy Yoded? I don't feel like that was way before the meme coin narrative. Or that's maybe not true. Pepe was 21, right? Yeah, this chart could be cool. I'm not actually going to go in depth on it here, but you have descending high trend. You have lower highs down here. Now you might be painting a higher high. You actually might see this break to the upside for the first time in quite some time, it seems. 13, 14 cents. All right, we're going back to the other charts here, but that's quite this is all right. I'll come back to this chart at a different date. I have an alert set. What's up, Benjamin? I already got you, Benjamin. What's good? Wait, so you got me distracted. If you are new here to the channel or new to crypto, put something in the chat. I want to know. Mine, something went wrong message. Yours is down. All right, let me log into mine. I'll log into mine, see if it works. So I am suspecting their login server is down because their exchange is still trading. There's many servers. Mine just worked. I hate to burst your guys' bubbles, but like, here we are, fam. My Coinbase is up. Maybe I have special Coinbase though. Still up. Soul, you're a good friend. We did look at Soul. Let me get organized here for one moment. You guys should, if you don't have a Coinbase account, you should sign up. Use my link, it's in the video description, and you should do the Coinbase Earn. I don't make any money if you do that. That's okay though, I don't care. But you should. Viewer activity. We're at like 2 hours now. Who did I miss? What's good? Entry for JASMY or H-bar? Campbell, I missed that, but I did just pull up H-bar recently. JASMY, I don't think I pulled up, so let me pull it up. I don't think I've looked at it. Sushi. New type asked for sushi a long time ago. Sorry, new type. Would I buy alts right now? Asks Cashflow Champ like an hour ago. My bad, bro. Some of them, yeah. Some of them are at those sweet entries, bro. Some of them are at sweet. So I don't know if you're still here, brother Campbell. That wasn't that long ago. I'm looking for 3.5. Very, very close to yesterday's wick low. 3.5 on JASMY. So you're not that far off. I mean, it's about 15%. 15% downside. That is where I'm looking to go long. Oh man, this is locked. Looking to go long. That short fire still live. Here you can see this right here though. It's been placed for a while. Really waiting for this to go. This is what I want to see. JASMY. Jasmine. Oh, Jasmine. I remember when I was growing up, there was a girl named Jasmine, and I was all into her. Wonder how she's doing. That was like 30 years ago, so who knows? I was like a baby. Wonder how she's doing. I wonder if maybe I'm just thinking of Jasmine from Aladdin, you know? Who knows? Who knows? Stop spamming. Yeah, hey yo, Moed, chill. Chill, bro. Come back in a minute if you spam then. Amount of spam in chat is insane. A little bit of spam is good. That's too much spam, just so you guys know. RLC and CAS. Yes. Okay. I'll pull up CAS. I'll pull up the RLC. Just for you guys. But, don't say I never do anything for you. This is... Really? Is this really what happened to Casper BTC? It does not look good. I have not kept an eye on that. 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍 is alright. This is an older chart, perhaps. This got stopped out a long time ago. Let me... Where's the newer one? There we go, blank. I think there's a newer one here. There we go. I was gonna say, that looks very old. No, it did it again. Why does it do this? Oh, really hard to tell where those were. However, it does not look like they could have gotten stopped out considering the entry was at 10 cents. Let's fucking go. Maybe I can fix them later. Let's see. Updating on CASP. I have to pay this again. It's also LRC up so I don't forget. This chart has not been opened in over a year, just so you know. Yes, but keep smashing them likes and subscribes, guys. Don't let that momentum drop. If you're new here, let me know. 20 cents. How have you not touched 20 cents yet? Bullish engulfing candle last month. Now you're back here. Like, Cass, how are you not touching 20 cents yet? I don't understand you. We got a sweet entry. That kind of looks like the low here. 15.6, 15.8, 15.1. This kind of looks like the low. Whoa, oh, no. Let's do like this. $2.7, 3 to 1. There it is. 15 cents looks like an entry to 20. Stop loss, probably gotta stick it tight on that. What is happening here? Oh, I hate when it does this. Oh, did it just do that? Did it just fucking rug me? It just rugged me. All right, at least it's saved. Sweet. That's how I look at it for Kaz. Rugging a Kaz bomb. All right, LRC. This is a chart that has not been looked at in like a year. Fire though. Fire though. Let's see. LRC BTC. Probably haven't looked at this in many a year. Oof. Ooh, it looks like a bloody story. Yes, I do. Ella, what are you looking for here? So you broke your low of 2019. You have a bullish engulf here on the month, but like, here is my unfortunate comment on this. My unfortunate comment is this is just starting to look like all the other coins from previous cycles against Bitcoin. I'm really hoping that we see XRP buck that trend. Really hoping Litecoin bucks that trend, right? A lot of coins I'm really hoping show me that this isn't just the future of all of the coins against Bitcoin. But at the moment, it's doing what Ethereum's doing now. It's doing what Litecoin has done for years. It's doing what XRP has done for years, and it's just channeling down. We got to see more than this. That's not exciting enough for me, unfortunately. Does not mean that the dollar pair can't do well. This is kind of a clusterfuck of a chart. 21.1 cents looks like a decent entry. Right there, came close. Ooh, XRP's heading for 250. Let's go. Live called. Let's fucking roll, boys. Let's roll. Can we check Rose and GALA? We've checked a bunch of these. In fact, I'm going to say, guys, don't hold your breath on, don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath on chart requests, man. We've done a lot. My voice is going. I'm a man. I'm not fully machine yet. Just give me some time. What you could do, if you want to see your charts done, make sure you subscribe, join the Discord, hit the like button, be a good community member. What's up, Real Michi? You're new here. Can we look quickly above Sol? Do you think you pull back to 420, something like that? I'm looking for 200 on Sol. I'm looking for 200 on Sol, honestly. XRP, yo, bro, what's up? What's up, iDeep gaining? What's up, bro? I don't know if you're asking for my WhatsApp or suggesting that you've messaged me on WhatsApp, which I don't think you have. Well, what's up, bruh? BTC view. BTC not doing anything. BTC short filled and now it's trading sideways above our short entry. I'm watching XRP. XRP is doing stuff right now. It's going places. It filled our long and now it's going places and doing things. Let's go. LFG, XRP. I'm rooting for you. Go to new all-time highs. DGen. Can we enter XRP right now? Where were you, Kaihana? Where were you? This was here yesterday. We looked at this yesterday. Where were you? In fact, if you had asked that any moment before like 2 hours ago, probably would have been a yes. Now it's a much harder ask. 238, what? You're trying to enter it to ride it up to 250? That seems like crazy. That's a crazy idea. I might have to eat. I got lunch and like was able to eat none of it before the stream because we went live earlier. Welcome, fam. Welcome. XLM, I don't know. Yeah, honestly, XLM, sure, the bottom could be in. It could go up, but like, that's just a knife. There's nothing there. It could randomly reverse. That does happen. But nah, it's a bad bet right now. That's not a good bet, in my opinion. Unless there's something here I'm not seeing. No. It may not come back to there, but there's just no rhyme or reason. This is absolutely a knife. The only rhyme or reason I guess you could think of is XRP's going up. And that's not the worst one. But nah, that's a pass for me there. That's a pass for me. Let's go back to the new people. Why don't you really use Market Cipher B? FECAID? What do you mean? I do use it. I use a lot of stuff. Apparently I need to study XLM. Me paradis. What do I need to study? Educate me. Educate me, my friend. What do I need to know? Oh, you've been here. You're really into XLM though. All right, you are the guy. Educate me. Why is Coinbase stock going down, Hustle? That's a good question. I don't know. Do they have earnings? What's happening? Look at Brett. Not really. FTM bounced $1. It's looking great. Hustle. Why is it going down? Why is it going down? I don't know. I don't know. Why is it going down? I don't know. I don't follow it that well. I like to follow it when it's going up. Oh, dude, it looks great. What are you complaining about? What are you complaining about? I didn't even know it did this. It's going back to its all-time high. Like, if not in this year, like next 21 days, certainly Q1 of next year. It's going to all-time highs, bro. Chill out. If you longed last week at the top, I don't know what to tell you. You got to learn some patience there. GALA slowly bouncing from entry. Let's fucking go. Let's go. XRP blasting off at entry. Let's go. This isn't the trend line, by the way, guys. So don't think it's like running into this trend line. This is just the arrow that we had placed showing that we were looking for this retracement. Let's move it over here. There it is. There it is. 239. I think XRP is going to 250 today. What's up, T-Maker? Thank you for subscribing. Sarcash12, welcome. WinzRx, welcome. Every time you subscribe during this live, you'll see this number update in real time. Your name will pop up like right here. I'll shout you out. It's going to be very exciting. And we are making monster calls live today. Let's go. XRP really pushing here. Really pushing. Holy shit. ICP. Can I ask you why you're looking for 200 Solana? It was just at 201. That's like the macro support. It didn't get tested. XRP did something similar yesterday. It came very close to the support. Didn't quite hit it. Moved back up and then filled today. So I'm really kind of looking for that same move on Solana, I think. ADA, we took a long, or we had our long from 94 cents. Let's go. XRP hitting 250 in real time today. I told you guys at the beginning. Take a deep breath. Don't worry. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. That's really the only logic behind that Solana call. Let me see. Where are you? There's it. And because, yeah, just not getting up. I think we're getting like the actual 200 test. I'm not saying it's never going up again. I'm not saying it's done. But yeah, just right here. March is, not March. Yeah, March is high, like 201. And maybe this is also it. It didn't hit 201 on my exchanges. Whatever I'm looking at here, I'm guessing this is Binance. It hit 203. And it hit a lower low versus yesterday. Okay. That might be it. You're right. I mean, that might be it. That could be it. I don't know. I'd still wait. I still win a market order at 214. Too risky. What's up? Prianardo DiCaprio. Welcome. Dave Con 1. How you doing, bro? Our fam grows with each new member. Join the Discord. Aaron, you're stupid. Don't say that. Guys love each other. The whole world is against crypto. We don't need to be against each other. We need to unite. We need to build each other up, make each other stronger. XRP to $5? Sure. It's going to 250 right now. Tease us, please, Fabio. I know, I've been live a long time. I know. Guys, take a deep breath. We're lovers. We love each other here. What's up, Bass Cruton? You're here every day. I see you. I see you. Bitcoin short or buy? I mean, we're in a bull run. Do you? Depends on what you're looking for time-wise. You have 2K. What should you buy right now, Hustle? I don't know, dude. Hustle, from what I know about you, you seem like someone who jumps into stuff kind of emotionally, or maybe at the recommendation of random people on the internet. Trade small. Got hit from buying the top. You know what? You know what you should do, Hustle? I think you should relax. You should make a plan. You should find the coins or whatever it is you want to be in. You should look at their charts. You should find their macro supports, and you should look to enter at them. That's it. I think you gotta tone it down on the energy. Did I talk about Microsoft rejecting Bitcoin? Yeah. Was it Microsoft or Amazon? Briefly touched on it. We're not really a news network. News is so largely overhyped in crypto. Rarely has any real impact. WTF was supposed to dump more. Yeah. DGen. So you've been asking for DGen. It must be pumping because people have been asking for it like the whole stream. DGen base? DGen wombat? What the fuck is this? Well, hopefully that's not it. Is this it? DGen 4? Why is this DGen 4? What happened to DGen 1 through 3? Hey, that's it. That looks okay. Okay at best. 5.6 cents. Smacking resistance. You don't really got no support here. Down to 0035. I don't think I would touch this. You're right in this monthly order block of resistance. I don't know. Weekly 10 cents. That actually doesn't seem bad. 1 cent. Sorry, not 10 cents. I can see this as a great entry. 1 cent. I figured this was going up because maybe it's just the same person asking for it over and over again. There you go. If you're bullish on this, there you are. 13 to 1. 10 to 1. There you are. I'll pull up Tezos for Fabio quick. I am out of energy for blasting charts though. We've been live over 2 hours. I think Tezos is like right on target, bro. Right on task. You know what we were saying. You keep it. I know you're following this. I know you're following the TA on this. Looks like Link. All we need is what? That higher low. I think that's what it's painting here. Higher low. Whether it goes to $1 or not, I'm not sure. But that's what I think is happening here. And I think Tezos is moving to like $3. Bam, 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 bam. GALA painting, printing dollars. We're gonna be live again tomorrow, by the way, guys. Don't worry, the fun never stops. We've been live on YouTube for almost 6 years. We'll be live for many more. We'll be live at 1 p.m. East, maybe 2 p.m. We'll see. Make sure you join the Discord. It's the best way to keep up with the live streams to make sure you don't miss the splice. You should also hit the subscribe button. Someone just unsubscribed, so someone should resubscribe to fill them in. I'll shout you out, especially new people. This is where you want to be. You've gotten lucky if you've just landed here randomly on YouTube. They just sent it to you. You've gotten very lucky. You won't know how lucky actually you've gotten until farther down the road here. But you have gotten incredibly lucky by finding this community. It's going to take a little bit. You're going to be a little confused. You're not really going to know what's going on, but I promise you, our only goal here is to help you succeed. The odds you would have just randomly landed on any other channel, looking to grift you, looking to scam you, very, very good. This is the place you should be. You'll see. Fart coin. Hey, Bitcoin, will go down right now, sir? Sure, I don't know. Looks like it's going up right now, to be honest. Kathan Patel. I've answered you. If you send that same message one more time, I'm timing you out. What's up, Mazortinho? How you doing? Ju C just subscribed. Ambrish Katan subscribed. Bilal Chahine subscribed. What's up, boys? What's up? Doesn't matter to you. Thanks for your insight. All day, every day. Yeah, Kathan, relax. I think we can hit 97K Bitcoin. Me too. Me too. I placed these shorts and I said, I'm not taking them. I'm bullish. I think Bitcoin's going up. But these are the levels I need to see Bitcoin take to resume this very local uptrend to head back to 100K. Really just close above 97.3 and things look great. What's up, Albert C? Nitro, Max, Boy, Steve, L, Soul, my boys, what's up? And that's why I play shorts there. Because there are gonna be sellers, are gonna be profit takers there, gonna be bears defending that level. I think we are going back to 100K. I think we're going to 120K very, like, into the end of the year, probably early Q1. Easy. The top is not in for Bitcoin this cycle. If you think the top is in for Bitcoin this cycle, you are watching and listening to the wrong people. You want a 24-hour live Tom Crown stream? All right, man. You saw me use the 236 Fibonacci retracement. Can I say why? Morar Zantino. Duh, do you mean when I looked at the macro chart? You mean this? Right here? This? Just this? Because I don't typically use it. I'm not like, you know, it's not like a fib retracement I'm always looking for. I placed this because someone said 88K and I couldn't really figure out why. And so I said, okay, well, at the 236, this is when the move from August into this month has begun retracing. And until it trades below 87 or the 236 Fibonacci retracement, until it does, it is not retracing. It is just in the same uptrend. It has not begun retracement. From a technical point of view, that may be what you're looking at, maybe what you're referring to. I don't know. What's up, 𝐂𝐴𝐳? Shout out to Tom Crown, consistent TA and vibes for years, brother, for years. And now I'm bringing the guns to the gun show too, you know? I've been at the gym every day. I quit vaping. Guys, I quit vaping. Is this just audio, Mini Coop? What? Is the screen frozen? I don't know. It's not frozen on my end. Maybe I got to unpause it. I don't know. I don't know. I quit vaping for the OGs here, who are like been here for a long time. I am now over 2 weeks, no nicotine, cold turkey, baby. Been going to the gym every day, been cleaning the shit out of my house. Been a good time. Got big changes coming. We're actually putting together a course for beginners. We've never really had a great offering for people brand new in crypto, and it's almost done. Keep tuning into the lives in the Discord for more updates on that. It's going to be hella good. Have a look at the whiff chart. Yeah, I keep saying I was going to, and then I didn't. It's because TradingView ruined it. It ruined my whiff chart, and it makes me mad. It's 4:18. We don't got too much time left. So this is what I mean. It ruined my chart. Let's do... I'm going to have to hide these because I can't look at this chart with them here. Looking for that whip. That what you call that. There we go. Like a bop, yeah. I don't even know if you can hear the music, but I'm bopping to it. Okay. I see why you're looking at whiff. It's at a good entry. Whiff is at an entry. I see why you're looking at it. And I bet a bunch of these are right there. Now they were down here. We sniped this bottom. Yeah, let's. This is one of the few that maybe is actionable. Right here. Go mainstream. Yeah, I like that. I like this entry. I like this chart. I like where it's at. I like it. Might be a little greedy going all the way to 4. That's a 40% upside, but like I really think maybe you can even place back to the all-time high. For now, I'm gonna leave this here. We get a solid 2.8 to 1. That's a good chart. That's a good risk to reward. I like this. I like it a lot. I like that price is near the entry. Hasn't really bounced too much. Hasn't gotten too far away from where I'd be looking at it. That's a beautiful resistance to support flip. Like it doesn't get better than that. Resistance, bear market low, begin the trend up, the rally up. Hit that resistance again, higher low, break it, come back to it. Resistance is now support. That's how you get your shot at that all-time high again. Whiff does look very good. You are correct. So much so, I'm going to put this in the private trading group in Discord right now, so don't forget. Because that's very good. And you can get in there just by signing up with any partner in the video description below. YIKES. So like that. Yes, I don't know why YIKES is there. GALA. XRP settling down. Bitcoin, the short still active. We really got to see this get up. Got to see it get up. All right, here's what we got to do, fam. You should make sure you are subscribed to this channel, especially if you're new. There is nothing out there that is going to help you succeed more than this channel. I promise. That is the only goal here. I am a terrible businessman. I've given up all kinds of money because all I want is for you guys to succeed. This is the place to be for this bull run. You are not the product here. You will not get sold like a commodity. My only goal is to help you. You can see that through all the free things I do. I have a free trading course on YouTube. Our streams are free. Our Discord's free. Join us for this ride. We've got a year left. We have a whole year before this is over. A lot of you thinking it's over today. Nah, we got a year. Don't worry. We're going to be live again tomorrow. We'll be live again the day after that. I hope you are here for it. In the meantime, check out our trading course. They're free in a playlist on this channel. Check it out. Shout out to everyone who subscribed today, everyone who super chatted. I am sorry, CTD. I see that super chat. I'm not going to be able to do it, brother. If you join the Discord, I can probably get that for you. Probably shoot you that chart on the Discord today. Discord.gg/Tom. Oh no, I messed it up. I can't believe I just copy and pasted the wrong. Wow, that's bad. When paid course Kevin is awake, well, it's in the works. It's in the works right now. Don't you worry about it. Don't you worry about it. There we go. Discord.gg/TomCrown. How much is my trading group? It's free, Ace, because people who charge for a trading group or signals like this are scamming. They're scamming. Ours is free. We will have a paid course coming out. It's in the works. Mostly so I can make money and not have 100% of the business to be reliant on me streaming, being live, putting in effort, putting in work. You know the deal. But for now, it's all free. Check it out. We're going to be live again tomorrow. Tune in, set your alerts, make sure notifications are on, and I'm going to see you all. What's up, Ruthie? Ruth. You joined at the end, Ruthie. It's okay. You can rejoin us tomorrow. Lots of ladies repping today. I like that. Jason got you here. I love Jason Casper. Our content, our channel, very similar to Jason. We do good stuff. We're not scamming you. We're not grifting you. You're not the product. All right, tomorrow live, I need to go. Beans has to go to the vet. She needs to get a checkup. But I appreciate you all being here for hours. My voice is gone. I love you. I love you all. I want the best for you. You just like one little flex before we leave. All right. I'm loving the gym I've been doing. I've been hitting it so hard. No more